Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are taking an honest look at the Foifkin F600 PC case for 2026. Is it the right choice for your next build? Let's dive straight in. The Foifkin F600 is built for PC builders who want the perfect mix of power, style, and practicality. Right out of the box, the standout feature is the stunning 270-degree panoramic tempered glass panel. It gives you a beautiful, uninterrupted view of your internal components, putting your hardware and RGB lighting fully on display. Inside, the case is highly flexible. It supports multiple motherboard sizes and gives you plenty of room for a 360mm radiator, making it a great fit for both mid-range and high-end builds. The F600 also comes loaded with 6 pre-installed ARGB reverse fans. They look fantastic, move a massive amount of air, and are designed to stay incredibly quiet. Add in modern conveniences like front panel USB Type-C and a tool-free hinged glass panel, and building in this case is genuinely a breeze. However, to give you an honest review, there is one noticeable issue you need to know about. Out of the box, all of the included fans are daisy-chained into a single PWM header. This puts way too much load on that single header, causing the fan speeds to constantly pulse. When tested individually, the fans work perfectly. The solution? You will need to split the fans across multiple PWM headers on your motherboard to get smooth, consistent speed control. Overall, the Foifkin F600 is a visually stunning case with a lot going for it. The out-of-the-box fan setup holds it back slightly, but if you don't mind taking a few extra minutes to rewire the fans, this case is easily a top pick for a stylish 2026 build. If this review helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, no-nonsense tech reviews. Thanks for watching.